This video and this video and also this video are all captured by the Insta360 X3. And today's video is about unboxing and testing this amazing camera. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. Many times I get questions about how I take videos, and today I'm adding a new toy to my collection and I want to unbox it and test it here with you. Since I do a lot of diving and water sports, I have here the Insta360 X3 camera, the lens protector, the new invisible dive case which is waterproof up to 50 meters, the 114 centimeters invisible selfie stick, and of course a micro SD card. The store also gave me a free bag for the Insta360 Go 3 as a gift. So let's get going. Let's go test it now. First, I'll try a video in Mali Square. Here, I'm just holding the camera in one direction. But in post-editing, the Insta360 app allows to smoothly move from frame to another just by scrolling and adding keyframes. Next, I took it scuba diving with my friend. The visibility here was amazing, so I got very nice footage of the whole dive. All I had to do is set the camera to 5.7K 360 video before the dive and press the record button underwater. Next, in this part again, I'm just holding the camera in one direction without moving. And yet all this comes from the post-editing. Snorkeling also was amazing with this camera, although we have to make sure to hold it on a 45 degree to avoid direct sunlight. I love Sea Bob and I couldn't wait to use this camera to record and see the result. In this part, I used the wrist mount for the camera. I was worrying about the footage because this mount wasn't stable on my arm. Although the camera was moving a lot, the footage was still top-notch. If you have an idea about what to try next with this camera, please share with us in a comment. And to help me keep making new videos, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next one.